What in the world is that?
Is this the answer to our problems, or isn't it?
Huh?
This mechanically perfect RJ300 motorcycle, that's official Army nomenclature, is as of now an official part of the Mayberry Sheriff Department's rolling stock.
What?
Well, don't you get it? Now I can cover Highway 6. You know, mail-in speeders, checkpoint chicken.
Now, wait a minute.
You said yourself we don't patrol enough because we only have the one squad car.
I know.
Now, with you busy with the squad car on the other side of town, I can cover Highway 6 with this.
Barney.
To say nothing of the other odd jobs that could be taken care of around town.
Well, what's the sidecar for?
Are you kidding? That's to carry firefighting equipment, guns, and ammunition. Room for another deputy in case of a raid. Going back and forth to the store. Besides, that's the way it came.
Well, Barney, I don't think
I promise I'm not going to make a big thing out of this. It's just an extra vehicle to get me around when you're busy with the squad car. No fuss. No big deal. You won't even know I'm in town.
I'll know, all right. Howdy, boys.
Hi, Sheriff.
Hey, that's nice sign work.
Charlie Phelps copied it off the squad car.
That's good.
Say, Sheriff, if you fill it up with water, you can take a bath along the way.
I guess so, Jace.